Hello guys, this is Bilal Kasim and welcome to YouTube Health. First of all, we will discuss the properties of esomeprazole, indications, the important side effects and how to stop esomeprazole.
Are you familiar with esomeprazole, also known as Nexium? This medication is commonly used to treat conditions such as acid reflux, stomach ulcers, and heartburn. Esomeprazole works by reducing the amount of acid produced in the stomach, which can help alleviate symptoms and promote healing. It is available in both prescription and over-the-counter forms. While esomeprazole can be highly effective in treating these conditions, like any medication, it does come with potential side effects. Some common side effects of esomeprazole include headache, nausea, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. More serious side effects may include allergic reactions, severe stomach pain, and difficulty swallowing. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider if you experience any concerning symptoms while taking esomeprazole. Overall, esomeprazole can be a valuable tool in managing certain gastrointestinal disorders, but it's essential to be aware of both its uses and potential side effects. Are you familiar with esomeprazole? If not, you're in the right place. Esomeprazole is a medication that belongs to a class of drugs known as proton pump inhibitors, which are used to treat conditions such as heartburn, acid reflux, and gastroesophageal reflux disease. When you have too much acid in your stomach, it can cause a variety of uncomfortable symptoms, such as a burning sensation in the chest or throat, difficulty swallowing, and a sour taste in the mouth. Esomeprazole works by decreasing the amount of acid produced in the stomach, providing relief from these symptoms. It's important to take esomeprazole exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider, usually before a meal for the best results. While esomeprazole is generally safe and effective, it's essential to be aware of any potential side effects, such as headache, nausea, or constipation. Make sure to consult your doctor if you have any concerns. In conclusion, esomeprazole is a valuable medication for managing acid-related conditions. If you think esomeprazole may be right for you, talk to your healthcare provider today. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.